welcome back to my channel. Welcome to yet another very Pinteresty but realistic day in my life. So it is almost end of November and it started to feel cold in Kolkata, which is why I decided to go on a very Pinteresty picnic date, and I'll take you guys around with me. Also give you guys idea and inspo like how to set up a picnic date or maybe film it. And I'm also visiting Zudio, so I'll maybe give you guys a look of their winter collection and do some shopping. Also later on I'm visiting this very aesthetic cafe, which is like my favorite thing to do. So yeah, let's the day get started, and now I will make myself a very yummy breakfast, so let's do that. I did the French toast, chopped the tomatoes and put the corn for steam here. Now I'll spray it and add everything in it and eat it. So the breakfast is ready and it looks yum. Now I'll do some real work like raising invoice, sending some videos for approval and uploading some video for you guys. I quickly got done with all the work and now it is time to clean my laptop. I mean, can you guys see for real the amount of dust I have on my laptop and also on the keyboard, and it is so hard to clean it, but not anymore. I got a really nice product to do all the job, and it is the Garo's compressed air duster. It comes with all this attachment. Now let me show you in detail and how to use it. It has two speed settings, low speed and high speed, and the O button is power on and off button, and it has a very powerful air blowing force of 48,000 RMP. It comes with 3-meter long cord and the product is very lightweight and portable. It has a locking system. We can attach the nozzle and twist it to lock it in. Also this is the main nozzle and we can attach this to nozzle to it. First I'm going to attach the main nozzle and lock it in. Then I'm going to add this round nozzle to it and clean my laptop. I'm using the low speed and even with that it is cleaning so easily and effortlessly everything and all the corners and spot that my hand can't reach, and we can clean all our electric devices with it. Next we have this 3 inflatable nozzle to use it on any inflating items like portable swimming pool, balls, pillow or balloons, basically any air-based inflatable items, and I'm going to blow a balloon with it. Did you see how smooth and easy was that? And now I will not be breathless on Dodo's birthday blowing the balloons. Next we have a convertible flat brush nozzle and we can move the bristles back and forth easily of it. Now I'm going to clean all my shoulder bags using this brush nozzle because I keep them hanging in an open place and they get very dusty often and it is not possible to wet clean them every time, you know. So this product is very handy. It cleans effortlessly all the dust and also very portable. Also it has a filter in the back and comes with 2 extra filters, so we can easily clean and change it if the filter gets damaged. Overall it's a very handy useful product and you will find the link in my description. All the cleanings are done. Now I'm going to pack my bag and these are all the things that I'm going to carry for the picnic. So these are all the outfits that I have picked for the same, and I want to wear something cute because I want to click a lot of pictures and I was confused because all of them are cute and pretty, so I tried everything on and went with the most comfortable option. So we are already out and Shoro got me the most prettiest sunflower ever, and we are going to do the picnic in Victoria, but before that we are going to visit Zudio, the one which is just outside of the Rabindra Sadan metro station in the Exide More. But before stepping in we are doing little snacking with chicken egg roll in this shop called Saima, which is just next to Zudio. Now let's hop on to some shopping, and I'm roughly going to show you the winter collection and all the pieces that I liked and I feel worth buying. And to my surprise, Zudio is really up with the trend. I mean, look at this cherry red color heel and all the shoes, that too priced like under 500 rupees. Let me show you some of their really nice cardigan and sweatshirt collection under 799 rupees. I mean, look at this maroon or rusty red cardigan with daisy detailing on it. It is very pretty and falls under 799 rupees. Also, they have this very cute puffy sweaters with such trendy colors like powder blue, butter yellow, rusty pink and cherry red color. They are so good in quality and warm. Also, all of these are for only 899 rupees. Now let's move on with some shoe collection cause Zudio is literally giving, and when I saw this black cute ballerina kind of flat, I literally fall in love with it cause I was looking for something like this online and all of them comes around 1.5k or 2000 up, but guess how much is this for in Zudio? It is for only 499 rupees. That too, it looks so pretty. Also, they have a lot of option in this kind of loafers in different color, and they comes for 699 rupees, and they are going to look so good in fall, but for some reason I didn't like it on my feet. And these are some sneakers and other shoe collection that comes under 599 or 699 rupees, and for the price the quality is really good. Also, I really like this beige bag. The quality is so good. Also, it is for only 299 rupees. We can carry it as a shoulder bag as well as crossbody bag, and the color is so basic that it is going to go with most of our outfit. I'm not sure about Zudio's makeup or skincare collection. I mean, I don't feel safe, but do let me know what you think of them or if you have used it. But I really like their nail paint collection though. Girls, you need to run to Zudio for all these compact boots, and I have a compact boot, and whenever I wear it, you guys keep on commenting for the link, but it is not available anymore. It's from H&M, but literally Zudio is copying all the high-end brands and serving looks with quality in affordable price, so you better grab it, and all of this for only 99 rupees. And here are some more cardigan, sweatshirt and jacket collection under 699 rupees that looks so pretty good in quality. Also, I shopped quite a lot and I am going to give you guys a haul in this video once I reach Victoria. So we reached Victoria and we got the ticket for garden only for 30 rupees, and if you want to visit the garden and museum both, the ticket is 60 rupees. Then we found this really cute spot under this beautiful tree and we started setting up for our picnic.
Picnic setup is done. We're gonna have a blast, but before that we got a lot of things from Zudio, so let me give you a haul. Here is our bag.
Let's start the haul. So the first thing I got is this beige bag for both of us cause it looks so cute, and Shorab already started using it then and there. Next, I got this cap in cherry red color for 150 rupees, and it has a logo of Nike, and it is going to look so good with all my fall outfit. Next, I got two footwear for 499 each. This beige one to wear it with all my casuals and trousers, and of course the black ballerina flat cause it looks so pretty and I can't wait to wear it. Next, I got this two very cute socks for 49 rupees each. Lastly, I got this 4 nail polish in different shades, and the bag is empty and we are done with the haul. Then after spending some time clicking a lot of picture, I started journaling for a bit. Also, I was making a list of how much money I have spent in this month and how much I have left for. Looks like I need to save a lot.
So just like every time, we decided to have the picnic here in Victoria because I feel this is the most prettiest place in town, also my favorite. আর একটু ক্রাউডও কম হয় কারণ এখানে মিউজিয়াম আছে, তো মিউজিয়ামের মধ্যে অনেক লোকজন থাকে, তো গার্ডেনে কম ভিড় হয়। সো উইচ ইজ ওয়াই আই প্রেফার ভিক্টোরিয়া ফর পিকনিক। আর ইকো পার্ক আর ইলিয়ট পার্কে এক্স্যাক্টলি অপোজিট হয়, অনেক বেশি ক্রাউড হয়। অলসো দ্য প্লেস ইজ নট দ্যাট প্রিটি। সো
তোমরা যদি ভিক্টোরিয়া লাইক পিকনিক মানে তো অবভিয়াসলি খাবার আনাও অ্যালাউড, অ্যান্ড তোমরা যদি খাবার আনো লাইক আমরাও এনেছি, মেক শিওর যে তোমরা কিছু একটা ব্যাগ বা প্লাস্টিক আনো যেটা ক্লিন করে নিও। লাইক এখানে ছড়ালে হ্যাঁ লাইক দেয়ার আর গার্ড
এভরিথিং,
দেয়ার আর গার্ড, সো ইউ শুড কিপ ইন মাইন্ড।
ফাইন নিয়ে নেবে না হলে। সো দ্যাটস অল আই ওয়ান্না সে, মেক ইট কিউট, মেক ইট প্রিটি অ্যান্ড হ্যাভ ফান।
রান টু জুডিও আই গেস।
It's 5 p.m. right now and already started to get dark outside, so we are going for the cafe. It is called the Cafe Americano, run by Naga people, and it is near Robindra Sarobar metro station, and you will see how pretty it is. Everything is so pretty and aesthetic here, and they also have this big huge mirror which is like a plus point for me. Also, I love their drink and food menu. Saurabh ordered their in-house special ocean latte which looks so good, and also we ordered their smoked chicken naga noodles, and I ordered a strawberry and matcha latte which also looks so pretty again and tastes good as well. Drinks was like solid 9 on 10, food was 8 on 10, and the people, vibe, the aesthetic, everything was giving, so I definitely recommend visiting this cafe.